Hello everyone, this is the final round of Exploding Kitten NSFW edition. Today, Izumi is going to open the box for the first time in forever.
This is the rules of Exploding Kittens.
I'm going to take out all of the 4 Exploding Kittens. And the 6 diffuse cards.
These are the 6 diffuse cards.
Now, I'm going to give each of us 1 diffuse card. Going to put the rest in the deck.
We're going to take one Exploding Kittens cards only because we are 2.
I'm going to give 7 each.
I'm gonna put one of the rest of Exploding Kitten cards in the deck.
This is my cards. Now, did you put this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is all my cards. So, Velvet Red, your turn.
Attack you. I'm going to attack him. Okay?
I'm gonna take 2 cards because I don't have a note card.
Oh,
That's what I get.
I'm putting favor. So it's going to give you 1 card of his choice.
I'm gonna give this to you, this card. I'm gonna
You give me 2.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm gonna pick up the deck. Oh my gosh. This one. This is what I got.
This is what I got.
This is what I got. See the future.
What did you
That's okay. I'm
Okay.
going to.
I don't know where this diffuse card is. Where could it be? Oh, they have so many cards.
Oh. Show the viewers what card you get.
Here. It's a chef card.
So next I'm gonna pick this is what I got. I'm gonna put 2 cards of Cat's Codinger.
Okay. Pick 1. This one, please.
This one. This is what I got.
Luckily, he didn't get my diffuse card.
Well, soon.
It is what I got. Okay.
This is what I got.
Are you going to put it or not?
No.
I have 2 of these. Shy Bladder Cat.
Okay. Pick.
I wanna get his diffuse card. This. What I got?
Skip card.
The skip card.
So, Velvety Red. Who do you think gonna win?
I don't know.
Whoa! So this is what I got. I'm gonna put this Shy Bladder Cat.
Okay, pick 1.
I'm gonna get your diffuse card. I think this one.
He didn't get my diffuse card.
Oh! Useless
I'm
card.
going to skip. Okay.
Why?
Because I want to.
This is what I got. I'm gonna put this See the Future.
Okay, he's gonna look at the top 3 cards
This is the top 3 cards. Ooh.
on the deck.
Gonna go back to the deck.
I'm going to attack you. Ay!
Oh.
It fell.
I don't want to use a lot of cards, so I'm gonna pick 2 cards. This is what I got.
I have 2 of the zombie cats.
Again.
I want to get this diffuse card.
Oh, not a diffuse card.
I have 2 of those.
Well, I think I'm gonna use this card because the deck is so thick. Okay, this is what I got. A zombie cat, so I'm gonna put this.
Okay.
I'm
I
gonna.
hope you don't get my diffuse card.
I hope I get your diffuse card. This is what I got.
Aww, I was going to use that.
Nope.
I'm going to shuffle the deck.
Yes.
I hope you get the exploding kitten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 5. Okay.
So I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna take another card. I got this guy. She has so many breasts.
I know what that is. Okay.
This is what I got. Another that card.
That's what I got actually. I cannot put it yet.
Oh, I get what is that? I think that card is skip.
It's your turn.
This is what I got. Oh, I'm gonna put this now.
I hope you don't get my diffuse card. Wait.
This is I'm gonna pick this one.
Why is he so close to my diffuse card?
I like your diffuse card.
You know where my diffuse card is? Putting skip.
Okay, I'm gonna pick another one. And I'm gonna put this. 2 of this.
I hope you don't get my diffuse card.
You say
Hold
that.
There's a certificate.
I'm gonna pick.
No!
Yes, I got it! I got it. I
I'm
got
going
it.
to shuffle.
I got it. I got it.
I have a question. How many diffuse cards do you have?
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Wait. I guess you have 4.
4 cards. Let's see. I think you are wrong. I'm gonna pick another card.
Did you get the exploding kitten?
Yeah. But I'm not using. I got a diffuse card. And I'm gonna random put in the deck.
Randomly.
Yeah, randomly. Sorry. Okay. Your turn.
You're kind of bad at English.
Yeah, I know.
It's your turn. I guess you have 3 diffuse cards now.
How do you know?
I don't know.
Okay.
I guess you have 4. And you put
I got this card.
favor. Just give me 1 card.
Give you one. I'm gonna give you this card. Your favorite card. Yes.
I have too many of those. No.
No, alright, fine. I'm gonna pick another card in the deck. This is what I got. Attack!
No.
Oh, you fell off my trap. You fell. So my
It's your
trap.
turn. It's your turn.
This is what I got. Mom cat. And I'm gonna put 2 of those.
Okay.
Oh my
You
god.
don't get my diffuse card in the check.
You have this.
I still have one.
Oh my god.
That was my favorite diffuse card.
I'm gonna
by
pick
the way.
this one.
No!
Yes! Oh no, the diffuse card. Ouch.
Favor.
Favor, huh? I give you this card. Another note. So, I'm gonna put this see the future because I don't trust the dead.
I still want one mama cat.
This
I just
is
wanna
the
get
card.
one of his diffuse card.
So, I think I'm gonna skip.
This is what I got, by the way.
I think I'm gonna skip the... Yes! Oh, I forgot. She have a diffuse card.
Okay, I'm putting it there. There.
I'm gonna pick another card. This card what I got, and I'm gonna put this.
I'm not drawing from that deck.
I'm gonna pick another card. This is what I got, and not to use that.
Favor. Just give me one diffuse card.
Nope,
Aw.
this one.
I have so many notes.
So I guess I'm gonna shuffle the deck in 5 times.
How dare you?
So this is so thick.
This
Wow.
thick?
Yeah.
That is not thick. That's thin.
Okay. Sorry. 4 and 5.
Oh my god, this is... I'm
Oh.
dead.
Yep.
I don't have any diffuse cards left.
This is all my card. I have 3 diffuse card,
Wait.
1 skip, and 3 see the future. So,
I have
ready to read?
I have 3 notes and 1 mama cat.
This is the final round of Exploding Kittens. And
Hope you enjoy it.
Bye-bye.
Bye.